How you doing? Larry Lapkin with Aegis Insurance Markets and SpeedyBond.net. Today we're going to talk a little bit about contractors' license bonds and try to answer some of the questions and dispel some of the myths about that particular subject. Before we get into that, let me just tell you a little bit about who we are. Again, I'm with Aegis Insurance Markets. We are a retail commercial insurance agency located in Truckee, California. We've been in business since 1999. Because we specialize in commercial insurance, our real niche is contractors. We've been working with contractors ever since we opened our shop, so we're very familiar with your needs and some of the complexities that go along with your business as it relates to insurance. Okay, so let's get into the meat and potatoes here of why we put this little landing page together. We get a lot of calls from people all the time, contractors all the time, I should say, that want to know more about contractors' license bonds and have questions about why the pricing is the way it is for the bonds themselves. So today we're going to explore some of those questions. We're going to talk about how you can get the best price on your license bond. We're going to talk about how the market for license bonds have changed, and we're going to help you to get the best price on your license bond. First, how can you get the best price on your license bond? Well, if you're a newly licensed contractor, that is, you've never had a contractor's license before, for you guys, it's very simple. There's no credit check. It's very easy to get a license bond. Pricing for those would run in the range of $115 to $125 per year. You can also get longer terms if you like, up to say 3 or even 4 years. Now, for the rest of you whose contractor's license bonds are now coming up for renewal, it's a bit more complex. The pricing for you guys that have had a contractor's license bond before is going to be based on your credit score. It hasn't always been like that. A couple years ago, you could get a license bond and they didn't really question your credit score all that much. That's all changed. So if you have a credit score of, say, less than 650, you're going to find that you're going to be paying more for your license bond. Pricing would probably, for you guys, below 650 is going to start at about $575 a year, and you could pay as much as $1,334 a year. The good news is that there is financing available through a couple of the surety companies that we do business with, and that will certainly help. And the financing works like this. Usually it's 20% down, and the carriers offer billing over 9 months on the balance. So it makes it pretty easy to get into the bond and at least keep you working so you don't lose your license. Now, what if you've had a bankruptcy? Or what if you're in bankruptcy? Now, pretty hard to get a license bond while you're in bankruptcy. Just if it's a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, it really doesn't matter. You're probably going to have, most likely you're going to have to wait until your bankruptcy is discharged to be able to get your license bond going again. So, how do you get a quote? Well, the easiest way is to give us a call at 1-800-579-6369, and that number is posted right either above or below my head here, and we can take the information over the phone, and usually we can get you a quote within a couple of hours. If you'd like multiple quotes, it can take a little longer. Quotes from, say 2 or 3 different carriers. We can certainly do our best to get you quotes from more than one carrier. In conclusion, let me just say that, again, we are Aegis Insurance Markets. We specialize in insurance for contractors. We also offer other products that you might be interested in, including contractors' liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, commercial auto coverage, and also tools and equipment coverage. So give us a call. Again, the phone number is 800-579-6369, and we'll be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to doing business with you. Have a great day.